Good evening. This is the video for Natrogix 100% pure essential oil. This is lavender. We just have an ordinary warming pot, by candle. Let's see the bottle.
Here's the bottle.
The bottle. Smell that, Rich. Smell what it smells like. It's essential oil. Probably condensed. It's really
strong.
Really strong. So you don't want to use a whole lot of that, right? Let's put some in our warming pot so we can see. Yeah, just a little bit.
You can already smell it.
Oh wow. Yeah, you can already smell it. Just that few little drops in that warming pot. It smells really good. It's really calming and relaxing.
It is. It is. It's stronger than I thought it would be. It's really strong. It smells good.
Right. It does smell really good. That probably a smell for several hours in that pot. It's just a 25-watt bulb, so I'm sure that jar will last quite a long time.
Right. Just
a few spritzes at a time, because you wouldn't want to run this on a few drops when you leave the house. You'd want to make sure you be responsible, turn your pot off, and just use it when you're home where it gets the most effect. You need to use it to wind down your day, just to make you feel better, kind of calm you down. I probably wouldn't put it in a pot and go to bed with it on. I don't know. You just use common sense when you're using a pot of any sort. Because you're just using a few drops. You wouldn't want that pot to run dry, because it will crack that clay pot. That clay pot, I'm sure, will get so hot and will crack, and then you'll be without your warmer. And you won't want to be without your warmer, especially if you have something like this you're going to come home to and put a few drops in and just clear away all the stress from the day. Alright, thank you. This is a Natrogix 100% pure essential oil. This is lavender. And thank you for tuning in. I stumble so much.